Leading change, building resilience in vital business processes. Have you communicated your improvement strategy only to find out that your employees are lost in translation? Is it hard to solve people challenges and are new working behaviors still under discussion on the shop floor? Is your company culture lacking a sense of safety and trust, resulting in emotional misalignment? R&G's integrated change management approach builds resilience in business processes by supporting strong teams and connecting them with proactive leadership behaviors. With real, practical experience leading and implementing data-driven improvements in high pace, we select the key behaviors which need to be addressed to get the process performance up. Through our change management approach, we link all behavior back to real-time data. We look at both formal and informal ways of working. We translate your improvement strategy from top floor to shop floor to drive meaningful actions. We build resilience in business processes by integrating our change management approach in methodologies like stable ops, stable supply chain, and stable maintenance. Our outside-in perspective will be translated to new metrics and it will shift leadership paradigms. So close the do-say gap and make change sustainable. You will observe renewed energy in your organization based on personal safety and trust. Accountability and execution behavior will support measurable business impact. Start now by leading change and building resilience in vital business processes. Contact us now at www.rnggc.com.